What's up, guys? We're back in the van, and today we're going to be taking out some more of this old interior. We're going to be starting up here, taking this out. It'll free up a lot of room. I'm going to be taking out this shelf as well, and a bunch of junk. Try and take out these walls with that AC as well. Free up some space, you can see all that. Alright, just got that out. I'm going to be insulating all that, so there's the top of the roof, but there'll be a lot more space up there now. Free up that. So now that I got this out, I'm going to start working on this ledge right here, so all this space can be free to the roof. And I'm going to tackle these. So I got the screws off on this side, but I noticed it won't budge right here, so I cut it open. There's 2 screws on each side. I'm gonna get those off, and hopefully this shelf will come right off. So I went ahead and started cutting, found some more screws I need to take out. So cut those out. See if it'll come out again. Piece by piece. How it's gonna have to go. Alright, I got it down. Had to do it the hard way. And just break it down. But go. Check out that room. Much more open in the back now. Clean all this up. Alright, we're going to start with these side panelings with the rear AC. Get that whole wall out. Alright. Got this sucker out. Plenty of room back there. No insulation. So I got this down to the bare metal, and the rear AC still works fine, so I think I'm gonna keep it and put some new tubing when I get the new roof and everything. So I'm gonna tackle this side, get this whole thing out. Alright, that was pretty straightforward. So it looks like old conversion. Cool. So I'm working on the walls now, trying to just find where the screws are at to get the paneling off. That exposes the blinds, so we see paneling's held on here, also by that. Right here, these right here. there. Probably on the bottom right there as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna be working on taking the paneling out now. So I got most of all the screws out. They're all down the side there. And I just need to get these belts off. It's got that star grip. And it looks like this whole thing just kind of come out. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get those and get these out. So I got some more paneling off. I'm gonna be taking these green around the window. But I got that off right there. Showing more metal. And this is what it used to look like. Have the ledge and that wall. But yeah, that's all gone. I'll keep going. Alright, so I got the lining out and it's down to the bare metal on the whole window. There you go. I just gotta get this seat belt out. Right here. Grind this down a bit. Make it nice and smooth. Alright. So I got some more work done on this wall. Still need to get these off. But, it's loose now. Got the fuse box out. And all the fuses. So I got the belts off. Right here. Still connected there, but got that one off. Got this one off. Starting to get loose. Got this one off. And this one off. Just gotta get some screws out right here. And this panel's gonna come out. Around these windows now to get all these off. I'm getting there. Got the window panels out here and here. Now I'm gonna work on this panel. Getting this out right here. And get these seatbelt anchors out. Right here. And I want to use this bed because it's electric and it folds up and down with a button, but I want to extend it, but I'm gonna need to get these out too. Free up the floor. So you can see they're pretty rusted. That'll be fun. So I wanted to show y'all I got this seatbelt bracket off. There's the hole in that. I ended up having to cut it. Wouldn't come off all the way. Just went ahead and sliced it right there. So there's the other side I'm gonna get to right now. Just finished up on this end. Had to cut it as well. also covered these HVAC lines so they wouldn't get sparks all over them. But yeah, the floor's starting to come up. I take these brackets out for the front seats. They go through the frame as well, so I might be cutting down there. We'll see. I got the plates off, but these screws are held on still, so there's that. They're just right under here. You can see that. They kind of, I'm gonna have to cut that and get those out. So I went ahead and just cut a square so I can get these out right here. I'm gonna saw those off, slide them out, and so I didn't have to pull up the entire floor yet. I'm gonna do the same over there. Just trying to get these seat belt buckles out. I got this one out, but the rest are kind of stuck in there, but they're all loose, so I gotta cut them and they'll come out. I'm gonna work on getting the bench seat out so I can eventually get the floor up, but started working on that a bit. Gonna have to cut those out as well. There's those in the floor, and I'll be able to rip the carpet up. Seatbelt clamps are out. Gotta fill these holes. But now we're gonna work on the bench seat coming out. I don't know if I'll be able to get those out. They go through the frame, but maybe I can just unscrew this and kind of get it out that way. We'll see. So I did some more work, got the bench seat out, discovered some pretty nasty rust over here too, so I'll have to get some materials to patch that up. But I'm gonna work on getting the two front seats out and the carpet out now. So I got the front seat out, but I'm leaving drivers because I still drive this thing around, but I'm working on getting these second row of seat anchors out, and just broke off the weld underneath, so I'm going to have to cut that off and get the one more screw out, and then it'll lift right up. But as you can see, I got the middle seat anchors out, some holes I gotta patch. I'm gonna get the driver's side out next and the rest of this carpet. Check for some more holes and then repair those. So now I'm gonna work on getting this carpet out. What I'm gonna do is probably replace the carpet around right here. So when I get this out, I'm gonna use it as a template for the new carpet. I'm gonna take this chair out, get this old stuff out. Alright, so I got the nasty carpet cut up how I want it. Got the panels, side panels out. I found some more rust. Had to take these out, but the carpet's about ready to get pulled out. Seat's gone. Found some rust over here, but I'm gonna pull this out and start patching up all the holes. Alright guys, she's completely gutted, minus the door panels, which is easy. Do that later, but yeah, she's bone dry. I'll probably end this video with this, and in the next we'll pick up
fixing all the holes and the rust before we lay down the floor and insulation. So